How to make 8D audio on CapCut. Creating 8D audio in CapCut can give your audio tracks a surround sound effect, making it feel like the music is moving around the listener's head. This video is a short guide for that. Open the CapCut application. There you have to open any video in which you want to add audio. Once you choose that video, at the bottom you will see sounds option. Simply tap on that. You can also extract sounds from your gallery. Once you choose sound, hit on the plus button. Now sound has been added to the video. Now to create 8D audio effect, you have to go through sound effect option available over there. Now you have to use mic hog option available over there. Simply tap on it and then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily create 8D audio on CapCut. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.